All right, here we are back with another episode of Eric Yells at the Camera here for serverless video. I'm here with the one, the only James Eastham, who
Hello,
is
Eric.
known as the .NET guy here at AWS. Tell us what you're doing. How many sessions you doing this week?
2 this week. One specifically on my little area of niche.
Okay.
So I had my .NET one earlier today, actually. So if you've missed that, it's going to be on YouTube at some point.
Okay, yeah.
And then I've got another session on Wednesday, on Thursday on Event-Bridge Pipes, which is becoming my new favorite AWS service. Actually,
yeah.
It's so good.
So talk about what Event-Bridge Pipes is for a moment.
Pipes allows you to build point-to-point integrations. So my favorite example or use case is you have a message in an SQS queue, and you want to invoke a step function. Previously, you need LAMP to do that.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Invoke step function. Now Pipes does all that for you. You take the message from your queue, send that to.
But it's more than just routing, right?
It's more than just a routing. Oh, more, yes. So
yeah.
Just
go for it.
Let's go so much more.
Yeah.
So there's another phase to Pipes. So after you pull the message from wherever you're pulling it from, you can filter it. So you can optionally add a filter of some kind if you're using EventBridge. The rules syntax that you've got, exactly the same syntax. Then after that, you can transform it. You can enrich it. So you could call maybe a step function or a lambda function along the way.
Yeah.
Add some enrichment. So the use case I think of there is you've got an event that's quite thin, customer ID, message comes through, you go and reach out and grab the rest of the customer details in that enrichment step and then send it on to the target.
So this is where we're getting more and more on this less code, more configuration.
Yeah.
Which a lot of people are like, Eric, do you hate Lambda? No, I love Lambda.
Yeah, absolutely.
But the reality is we spend so much time routing data and it doesn't make sense. I'm sorry, routing, is that for the
so funny, my girlfriend really shouts at me for this. Whenever I've been in the US for a while, I start saying trash, elevator, route.
So I wish I had a cool accent, but I don't. So, but anyway, so this routing, and we find people using Lambda functions to route data, and that's not needed. And so we really are pushing to use Lambda when it's business logical, when it matters. So
I love that heuristic. That if you're doing something that isn't core domain, isn't business logic, isn't important, then just pivot. Focus on the stuff that matters. Only write .NET when you really need to.
That's right. Exactly. I was a .NET developer. I was. No, I'm not. I say kind. I mean, kind of half.
Okay.
Yeah, I wasn't good, but I did start out with .NET, believe it or not. So, all right. Well, so when's your last session?
The pipe session Wednesday, repeated Thursday.
Okay. All right. So if you want to catch a great session by truly one of our experts, .NET, pipes, event-driven architecture, pretty nice jacket. I encourage you to come check out James' talk. And with that, we're going to sign out, and we'll be on a little later. See you later.
Thanks, Eric.